This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Ann Williamson. Beautiful, well-built home, one-level living, mix of traditional and cabin living. Floors are hickory, ceiling is pine tongue and grove, rock gas fireplace, granite countertops in kitchen with cherry cabinets. Split floor plan with large master bath and a gas fireplace on one side and 2 bedrooms and shared bath on other side. Large closets and tons of storage throughout. Basement is ready to be finished, half bath downstairs, cedar closet, more storage. Large 2-car garage. This home is located in a small high-end community, paved roads, close to Lake Nottley, downtown Blairsville and just minutes to Blue Ridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Williamson.